Technology is changing faster than we can imagine. And the world we know today will look completely different in the next decade. In this video, we're exploring 10 future technologies that will transform our lives, our jobs, and our entire world. From artificial intelligence that thinks like a human to quantum computers solving problems we can't even comprehend yet, the future is arriving at lightning speed. We'll dive into how biotech could extend our lifespans, how augmented reality will merge our digital and physical worlds, and how sustainable energy sources will power our cities. These aren't just science fiction concepts anymore. They're the building blocks of our tomorrow. So get ready to have your mind blown. Let's explore the innovations that are set to redefine what it means to be human. That's the promise of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Have you ever wondered what the next giant leap for humanity will be? Forget what you know about AI chatbots. We're talking about something far more revolutionary: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Imagine an AI that doesn't just follow commands but actually thinks, learns, and makes decisions just like a human, only billions of times faster. That's AGI. It's the next level. Why does this matter? Well, think about tasks that take scientists years to complete, like developing new medicines or solving complex climate problems. AGI could potentially do that in seconds. It's not just about doing things faster. It's about achieving things we currently consider impossible. The impact will be mind-blowing. From revolutionizing healthcare and personalizing education to supercharging business and even accelerating space exploration to other galaxies, AGI could be the key to unlocking humanity's greatest potential. Welcome to the wild world of quantum computing. Forget ones and zeros. Ever feel like your computer is slow? Imagine a computer so powerful it could solve problems that would take today's supercomputers thousands of years to crack. That's not science fiction. That's the reality of quantum computing. So, what is it? Instead of using bits, the ones and zeros we all know, quantum computers use something called qubits. Thanks to the wild rules of quantum physics, these qubits can be a 1, a 0, or both at the same time. This allows them to process a mind-boggling amount of information simultaneously. Why does this matter? Well, this incredible power is set to revolutionize everything. Think about discovering new life-saving drugs in record time, creating new materials to fight climate change, or building unhackable cybersecurity systems. It could even transform our entire financial system. Quantum computing isn't just the next step. It's a giant leap for humanity. That future might be closer than you think. Humanoid robots are stepping out of sci-fi movies and into our world. Have you ever imagined a world where robots walk, talk, and even work right alongside us? Well, that world is getting closer every day thanks to humanoid robots. So, what are they exactly? Think of a robot designed to look and move just like a person. They can walk on two legs, use their hands to grab things, and even interact with us. This isn't just science fiction anymore. It's becoming a reality. The big reason this matters is that these robots can take over jobs that are dangerous, difficult, or just plain boring for humans. Imagine a robot handling hazardous materials in a factory or tirelessly lifting heavy boxes in a warehouse. Looking ahead, the impact will be huge. We'll see humanoid robots in factories, assisting nurses in hospitals, checking guests into hotels, and maybe even delivering packages to your door. They're set to become a part of our daily lives, making everything safer and more efficient. Well, get ready, because that future is closer than you think, thanks to something called neural interface technologies. Ever wished you could control your phone just by thinking about it? Well, that sci-fi dream is getting closer to reality thanks to something called neural interface technology. So, what is it? Imagine a tiny, sophisticated chip that acts as a bridge, connecting the human brain directly to a computer. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's happening right now. The most incredible part is its potential to change lives. For people with paralysis, this technology could mean moving robotic limbs, speaking through a computer, and reconnecting with the world in ways they never thought possible. It's about restoring abilities and independence. And the future? We might all be able to control devices, browse the web, or even communicate just by using our thoughts. The possibilities are truly mind-bending. What do you think about this technology? This isn't a sci-fi movie. It's the future of autonomous electric vehicles, and it's happening right now. Alright, let's talk about the fifth game changer: autonomous electric vehicles. Imagine a world where your car drives itself, No more stressful commutes, no more fighting for parking. That's not science fiction. It's the future, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. So, what exactly are they? Simply put, these are cars that use advanced AI sensors and cameras to navigate roads all on their own. The biggest reason this is so important is safety. The vast majority of accidents are caused by human error, and these smart vehicles can significantly reduce that number, saving lives. Looking ahead, the impact is massive. Picture this: fleets of self-driving taxis, buses, and trucks operating 24/7. Transportation will become more efficient, more accessible, and way safer. It's a total revolution for how we move. What do you think? Would you ride in a self-driving car? Let me know in the comments. It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's called fusion energy. Ever wondered if we could power the entire world without any pollution? Well, get ready for fusion energy. It's not science fiction anymore. It's our potential future. So, what is it? Think of it like creating a tiny star right here on Earth. We take two light atoms and fuse them together, releasing a massive amount of energy in the process. The best part? The fuel is abundant, and the only byproduct is helium, the same stuff you find in party balloons. No greenhouse gases, no long-lived radioactive waste. Imagine a future with infinite clean electricity. We could power our cities, desalinate ocean water, and fuel space exploration without harming our planet. Fusion energy isn't just an alternative. It's a complete game-changer for humanity. The race to build the first commercial fusion reactor is on, and it's one of the most exciting scientific quests of our time. It sounds like science fiction, but smart contact lenses are closer than you think. Ever feel like you're constantly looking down at your phone? What if you never had to look away from the world again? Let's talk about the seventh futuristic tech that could change everything: smart contact lenses. Imagine this: tiny, flexible contact lenses with digital displays built right inside. It sounds like science fiction, right? But it's closer than you think. These lenses could show you turn-by-turn directions as you walk, pop up important notifications, and even monitor your health data like blood sugar levels, all directly in your field of vision. The future impact is mind-blowing. Your eyes would literally become a smart screen. You wouldn't need to pull out your phone to check a map or read a text. Everything you need would be right there, seamlessly integrated into your view of the world. Well, that world might be closer than you think, thanks to 3D printing. Imagine a world where the long, agonizing wait for an organ transplant is a thing of the past. It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, the future is closer than you think, thanks to 3D printed organs. Scientists are now using specialized 3D printers and living human cells, called bioink, to build complex tissues and even entire organs, layer by layer. We're talking about hearts, kidneys, and lungs created right in a lab. Why is this a massive deal? It could completely solve the critical shortage of organ donors, saving countless lives every year. In the future, instead of waiting for a match, a patient could receive a custom-printed organ made from their own cells. This would dramatically reduce the risk of rejection and transform modern medicine forever. What do you think? Is this the most incredible medical breakthrough on the horizon? Have you ever dreamed of vacationing in space? Well, that dream is getting closer to reality than you might think. Ever dreamed of a vacation ... in space? It's not science fiction anymore. Space tourism is becoming a reality where you could one day book a ticket to see Earth from orbit. Think of it as the ultimate getaway. This isn't just about cool trips, though. It's the start of a brand new industry that could be worth trillions of dollars, creating jobs and pushing technology to its limits. What's next? The future is even more exciting. We're talking about building permanent bases on the moon, turning it into a stepping stone for humanity's next giant leap. From the moon, we could launch missions to Mars and beyond. Imagine living and working on another world. This isn't just about exploration. It's about expanding human civilization across the stars. The journey is just beginning. That's the magic of holographic communication. Forget flat video calls. Ever felt like video calls are just flat? Well, get ready for a giant leap into the future with number 10 on our list: holographic communication. Imagine this. Instead of seeing your friends or colleagues on a screen, their life-sized 3D hologram appears right in your room. It's like they're actually there with you. This isn't just science fiction anymore. This technology aims to make our digital interactions feel incredibly real and personal, breaking down the barriers of distance. Think about the possibilities. Business meetings where it feels like everyone is in the same room, university lectures with professors appearing in your living room, or even live concerts popping up right before your eyes. Holographic communication is set to completely revolutionize how we connect, work, and play in the digital age. It's the next best thing to being there in person. Have you ever wondered what life will be like in 2050? It might feel far away, but technology is advancing so fast that the future is practically at our doorstep. Imagine self-driving cars that pick you up and drop you off seamlessly, or smart homes that know exactly what you need before you even ask. How about personalized medicine, where treatments are tailor-made just for your DNA? Or maybe you're more excited about space tourism and taking a vacation on Mars. From AI assistants that feel like real friends to sustainable energy sources that power our entire planet, the possibilities are truly mind-blowing. Technology is evolving every single day, and the future is nearer than we think. Which future technology amazed you the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic videos. Thanks for watching.